welcome back to my channel. Thank you guys for all the plus 400 subscribers, and for the returning ones, thank you for coming back. For the new ones, you're welcome. And if you're new and you haven't subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Consider subscribing, guys. And today we are going to be making this colored wig, and I will show you everything from scratch. Keep on watching. What we need for this project is a bowl, brush, that knife, the hair, bleaching powder, and some foil paper, a scissors, and of course the hair. We'll start by bleaching the closure, that is toning the closure. Actually, I'm going to cut this foil paper in pieces. You will see what I'll be using it for. Now it's time to mix our bleaching products. We need a bleaching powder, 9% developer. 9% is about 40 no, not 40, 30 developer. So you need your gloves to protect your hands. Now it's time to bleach. Just watch. Now you can see I actually separate the hair in little bits or pieces, and I will use the foil paper which I cut earlier. I'll just put it to prevent the hair from touching the roots, because I want the root to be dark. So that is how it is. You just do that in the entire hair, and then it's all to bleach. We are all done, and yeah, this is the last one. We are all done. We have to cover it with a foil paper for 30 minutes, so that it should be a little bit blonde enough to take our color. So let's just keep watching. Yeah, you can see it's already bleached. Wow, this hair is so good. I can't lie. This hair is the bomb. So you can see the hair is all bleached, and we maintained our dark roots. I went ahead and I washed it with our shampoo and leave it to dry without conditioning it, since we are still going to process it. Wow, you can see how healthy it is after bleaching. Our knots are still maintained and everything. Guys, stay tuned for part 2 of this series, and please subscribe. Follow me on social media with the name Stacy Benz.